In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace an air dam on a Ford F-150 located under the front bumper. So here's the plastic air dam, and it's mounted to the steel bumper from underneath here. And they have these steel rivets that go all the way across. There's 12 total. So both end pieces will look like this, and then there are 10 going straight across like this, straight in the face of it. And if you look on the back side, how they hold up, you can see the rivet right there, right here, just pokes through. So in order to get these out, you can drill the center out, or you can take a cutting wheel like I'm going to, and I'm going to cut it right straight down the back, so they'll just pop straight out. And we'll do that to all 12 of them, and then we'll get ready to install the new one. Just take a cold chisel or a pry bar. All right, there we go. There it is. Just do this to the rest all the way around. So now I'm going to take 12 1/4-inch rivets, and I'm going to get the rivet gun, and I'm going to install the new air dam all the way around. There's the last rivet. And here's the final result. Nice, clean streamline, not cracked, not damaged, and pretty sturdy. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.